This video will walk you through the process of pairing your Blackboard Course Shell with Connect. To begin, navigate to the course shell in which you would like to pair. Then, open the Course Tools menu, which can be found in the Control Panel. Then, click on McGraw-Hill Higher Education. A screen similar to what you see here will open. As you'll notice, Paired Connect section says Not Associated with a Connect section. To pair this, click on the Pair Course with a Connect section button. It will bring up a menu that asks if you would like to exit Blackboard and continue to McGraw-Hill. Select Launch. On this screen, be sure to select Pair with a section in an existing Connect course. Scroll down to find the course which should have been previously shared with you, and select the book. Use the radio button to select the shared course section that you would like to pair with and click Save. Once you've made it to this screen, use the yellow Return to Blackboard button on the left-hand side. We will now return to Blackboard, and the only thing you need to do now is select the Synchronize with Section button. This will open a screen that asks if you would like to synchronize all of this information. So make sure all of the content that you expect to see is there and click Submit. This process may take a moment, so please don't panic if your computer thinks for just a minute. And now you will see that the synchronization is complete. There were 48 assignments that were updated, and you are ready to go.